In this session, we celebrate the shift from learning to living. As you and your baby become a seasoned team, the rigid rules of the early days begin to fade, replaced by a much-needed sense of freedom. At the Parentis program, we believe that breastfeeding should fit into your life, not take it over. Ready to step out of the nursery and back into the world? As you and your baby become pros, breastfeeding moves from a strict technical task to a natural part of your daily routine. Today, we're talking about finding your freedom, from breastfeeding in public with confidence to reclaiming your hobbies while nursing. Stay with us to discover how to stop being a slave to the schedule and start enjoying the flexibility of motherhood. In the beginning, every latch and every minute is carefully monitored. But as weeks pass, a wonderful thing happens. You both gain practice. The once daunting task becomes second nature, and the strict rules can finally loosen up. Dr. Catalin Charley, neonatologist, pediatrician, and international board-certified lactation consultant, describes this evolution. At the beginning, the mother is very careful and tries to do everything by the schedule. When both mother and child become more professionals, usually mothers don't pay that much attention. A bigger child can do anything during breastfeeding, even hang down upside down, so it doesn't matter anymore how they do it. For many mothers, this is when the true enjoyment starts. It's no longer about getting it right, but about being together. I was just breastfeeding and enjoying his presence. He sucked so fast, so for that short 5 or 10 minutes, I didn't want to do anything else, just enjoy the togetherness. It's important to acknowledge that breastfeeding is a frequent commitment. It's perfectly normal if the process occasionally feels repetitive. The good news? Once the routine is established, you don't have to put your life on hold while you nurse. Dr. Charley offers some liberating advice. If breastfeeding becomes a routine, then that's not a big problem. Reading a magazine or a book couldn't be tragic. If you have the TV quietly on or you listen to good music, it couldn't be a problem. You shouldn't change your whole lifestyle or become a slave because you breastfeed your child. One of the biggest hurdles to feeling relaxed is the transition to breastfeeding outside the home. The mothers we spoke with show that with a little confidence and perhaps a cloth diaper for cover, the world is your oyster. I pulled my t-shirt up and nobody noticed it or cared about it. It was not for exhibitionism, but for feeding. We did it outside, on the street, in the park, on public transportation, even at markets and fairs. Of course I breastfed him at the doctor's office or after baby swim lessons. I didn't make a big fuss about it. While newborns are often oblivious to their surroundings, be prepared for the distraction phase around 4 or 5 months when the world becomes so interesting that your baby might pop off to see what that noise was. The personal stories of these mothers highlight a beautiful truth. Breastfeeding is an ancient, natural experience that fits perfectly into the modern world. Whether you choose a quiet corner or a busy cafe, the goal is to remain connected, both to your baby and to your society. By embracing flexibility, you ensure that breastfeeding remains a joy rather than a burden. You are doing an incredible job finding your own rhythm. If you enjoyed hearing about the freedom that comes with experience, please like this video and subscribe to the Parentis program. Coming up next, we dive back into the technical side to optimize your supply. Why is it so important to use both breasts? We'll see you there. Please note that all the content of the Parentis program is for educational and informational purposes only and does not constitute medical advice. We encourage you to consult with your gynecologist, pediatrician, public health nurse, or physician regarding any topics covered here. Also, please ensure you read our legal statement.